Good morning, guys. My name is Oscar with O&D General Contractor. Today is Sunday, June 29. I'm in Hyattsville, Maryland, about to do a repair attempt for State Farm. Claim number 20A4B292G. And the repair that we're going to try to do is this right here. Basically, okay, before I start with the repair attempt, I'd like to show you an overview of all the damages on this roof, okay? Damage, missing shingle, a lot of creases. Shingle is so brittle, so many creases. There's a PR. It's a duplex. More missing shingles. Now let me take it to the back. Missing shingles. Probably like 2 or 3 damages in the back. Some creases. I got some help today that is gonna help me do the repair attempt. Tools that I'm gonna use for the repair attempt. I'm gonna use the snake bark, my hammer, shingle we're using, right there. It's pretty hot today, guys. if you bring it closer, the problem that we have with this shingle is one, shingle is being discontinued. The name of this shingle is XT25 Mint Frost. Mint Frost is out of the market. We can't get this shingle anymore, so it has been discontinued. Not only that, the shingle is so brittle that you see all the granule jumping up. Look at this. Look at this right here. We're creating more damages into the roof. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. You'll be able to see right there, crease, create more crease. We're using the proper tools to conduct this repair tent, as you guys saw, but the shingle is so brittle. Losing all the granule, look. And again, not only that, this shingle has been discontinued, taken out of the market. Name of this shingle is XT25 Mint Frost, just for the record. So due to all of those components, I don't think this roof is repairable. Thank you guys, have a nice weekend.